What you can also easily do inside of Microsoft Windows 11 is that you can access out different files and folders on your network in different computers. So to access that out, you can go to the File Explorer over here, and on the left side, you can see that network is an option right here. So once you go to network, you can see all of the devices that are connected to the same network as you. And over here, you can also see my router right here. You can also see my Shield right here, which is connected onto the same network as well. But over here, what I'm interested in is my laptop right here. So in order to access out files and folders from another device, the other device should have the sharing settings enabled. So once that is done, you can just go around, double click on the device, and you will be able to access out the files and folders on that particular device which has been shared out. So I'm just going to go around onto the sample folder right here, and here you can see that this is the folder, and you can see that this is a network folder. So you're directly accessing out the files from the other computer right here. You can go around and create new files right here as well. So you can go around right here, create new files, because the permission is available for that particular folder that has been shared. So if the permissions level are set, you can modify out the things inside of other drive as well. And that is how you can access out files and folders of other computers through Microsoft Windows 11. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.